How to make any electric shaver pull free in 5 minutes. Works on any model. If your electric shaver feels like it's plucking hairs instead of cutting them, if shaving feels painful, if you have to go over the same spot 5 times, stop. Before you throw it away, before you buy a new one, before you blame the brand, I'm going to show you how to make any electric shaver pull free in 5 minutes, using simple cleaning and blade tricks that most people completely ignore. And yes, this works on rotary, foil, cheap models, expensive ones. Even the one you think is just old. Let's fix it. Electric shavers are designed to cut, not pull. So when they start tugging, something is wrong. But here's the secret. In 90% of cases, it's not the motor. It's maintenance. And today I'll show you why your shaver is pulling. The 5-minute cleaning method pros use. The blade alignment trick nobody talks about. How to know if you need replacement parts. And how to prevent this from happening again. Watch until the end, because one tiny mistake most people make actually makes pulling worse. 1. Why shavers start pulling. Before we fix it, let's understand it. An electric shaver pulls when 1. Blades are clogged. 2. Foil or rotary heads are dull. 3. Hair trimmings are trapped inside. 4. The blade assembly is misaligned. 5. It's running dry and friction increases. How it works. Quick breakdown. Foil shavers use oscillating blades under a thin metal screen. Rotary shavers use spinning circular blades. Hair enters the perforations. Blades cut. Hair falls away. When brie blocks the entry holes, hair gets caught instead of sliced. That's when you feel the pull. And no, pressing harder won't fix it. It makes it worse. 2. The 5-minute pull-free fix. This is where the magic happens. You'll need small brush, usually comes with shaver. Isopropyl alcohol, 70% plus. Warm water, if waterproof model. Light machine oil or clipper oil. Let's go. Step 1. Open it completely. Remove the head. Most people only rinse the top. That's not enough. Hair builds up underneath the blade carrier. Tap gently to release loose debris. Already you'll see buildup. That buildup causes drag. Step 2. Deep clean the blades. If your shaver is waterproof, rinse under warm running water. Use a drop of liquid soap. Turn it on briefly while rinsing. If not waterproof, use a dry brush first. Then dip the blade assembly, not the motor base, in isopropyl alcohol. Alcohol dissolves skin oils and microscopic debris. This step alone eliminates most pulling. Pro tip: never use hot water. It can warp foil screens. Step 3. The hidden alignment trick. This is the step nobody talks about. When reassembling, make sure the blade carrier clicks perfectly into place. If even slightly misaligned, the cutting gap changes, and it pulls. For rotary models, return each blade to its original position if possible. Mixing them can cause uneven cutting. Tiny detail. Huge difference. Step 4. Lubricate the blades. This is the real secret. After cleaning, add 1 drop of clipper oil per blade. Turn it on 10 seconds to distribute. Why? Metal-on-metal friction causes heat and drag. Oil reduces resistance instantly. Your shaver will sound smoother immediately. Step 5. Quick test. Now test it on your forearm hair. You should feel smooth glide. No tugging. Lower noise pitch. If it still pulls, we move to the next section. Part 3. When cleaning isn't enough. Sometimes pulling means blades are dull. Foil is worn. Rotary heads are damaged. Most brands recommend replacing heads every 12 to 18 months. If your foil looks warped or has micro dents, replace it. If rotary heads feel rough even after oiling, replace them. Important, don't wait until it becomes painful. Dull blades increase skin irritation and ingrown hairs. Part 4. Common mistakes that make it worse. Let's avoid these. Pressing harder. It bends the foil and traps more hair. Skipping lubrication. Dry shaving without oil increases friction. Never deep cleaning. Surface rinsing is not enough. Using compressed air too close. It can damage delicate components. Storing it wet. Moisture causes micro rust and blade drag. Part 5. Beginner Safety Guide. Quick reminders. Never submerge non-waterproof models. Don't use harsh chemicals. Unplug before disassembling. Let parts dry fully before reassembly. Replace cracked foils immediately. Electric shavers are low risk, but maintenance matters. Here's the entire fix again. 1. Open and remove debris. 2. Deep clean with water or alcohol. 3. Align blades properly. 4. Add 1 drop of oil. 5. Test and enjoy smooth glide. Most people replace shavers that only needed 5 minutes of maintenance. Don't waste money. Fix it. If this helped you, imagine how much smoother your next shave will be. If you found this useful, like the video. Subscribe for simple, practical repair guides. Share this with someone who complains about their shaver pulling. And comment below, what brand are you using? Rotary or foil? I'll help you troubleshoot it.